People wonder, why is it that he did not get this treated beforehand? And this is not that uncommon, having worked in hospitals throughout my career, to see patients who you wonder, like, why didn't you get this treated? And unfortunately, not everybody has access to medical care like some of us do. It's possible he didn't have any health insurance to pay to take care of his feet. And then for some patients, there is a fear of getting treated. There's a fear of seeing doctors, that maybe that doctor is going to recommend something that is painful, that could be surgical, that they just don't want to have done. All of that aside, I'm really glad that he has finally gotten his feet taken care of, and it looks like he is in the absolute right hand.
你把腿伸直了，来放松。哎，疼你就告诉我啊。这样疼吗？这样疼不疼？ 这样不疼吗？你别说没整完呢，你别总想着跑，没事啊。
咋的了？怎么样了？
跑不动啊！哎呦我的妈！ 别用劲儿，你别用劲儿，你一用劲儿，你跟我对着用劲儿，我没法整。不用害怕。别用劲儿啊，放松。你一用劲，我还得抓着你的指，抓着你的脚，怕你跑了。
下路都下了，干嘛？那意思我现在车提不过来了呗。
差不多2、3分钟。
啊？真的吗？不会啊。
度啊，完了就好了啊。别用劲儿，你用劲儿我手都酸了，我在抓着你。
Do you see that? What's the most painful thing to step on? We all know it's a Lego. And you can see that corn is bigger than a piece of Lego. So can you imagine every day having that on the bottom of your foot and walking on it? I mean, how utterly painful. This is going to feel so good.